Hello, everyone. Let me start with a question. Do you know how big brands like Zara, Nike, or IKEA display their promotional messages on their digital screens? All these screens are a source of information for a consumer, but to the brands, these are much more. These are the tools to increase revenues. My name is Peter Brunner. I'm the CEO of OOSM, and today I'm going to tell you how OOSM brings digital screen communication to the 21st century, and why big brands like Ahold chose OOSM to work with. Today, if you want to communicate via digital screen, you need software, you need a computer, and those two have to be connected to a digital screen. We call it digital signage system. There are many digital signage systems out there, but they are too complex to use because they was developed by IT professionals for IT professionals. But most of the users today are content creators, marketers, who are not computer geeks. And they are also too expensive because they still rely on a software and hardware like this, which is too expensive. And in the end, they even create legacy lock-in. They are limiting their users' opportunities because they don't innovate fast enough and they make it hard to switch. So digital signage today needs expensive hardware, needs additional workforce, and it's very rigid. I had the same problem when I was working at the media company in Slovenia. And I thought, this could be done in a much more simple way. And I saw a huge opportunity, bypassing all these frustrations. I quit my job, and I started working on OOSM. And we developed simple, plug-and-play solution that works on open standards. But how does OOSM connect to a digital screen? Well, simple. OOSM is an application, and you can simply download it to any smart screen. But what if you don't use smart screens? Then, we have prepared a temporary solution, Android-based device, which is carrying our application inside, and you can simply plug it into any digital screen within minutes. For either, you would need expensive hardware, training, and would take you hours to set up. Let me show you how it works. OOSM lives in a cloud. This is our dashboard online. You can simply log in with any device, and you upload any content like movies, pictures, even websites. You drag and drop all the content on the playlist of your desire, and from this point on, you can share it on as many digital screens as you like, of all shapes and sizes. But this is not all. OOSM is much more. OOSM is smart. Let me give you an example. We connect OOSM to the local store, and we also connect OOSM to the cash register of the same store. And then, for 1 hour, we test these two advertisements, and after 1 hour, we see which of these two is most effective in generating sales. And we put the selected one across all digital screens, across your whole retail network. It's like Google Analytics in real time and world. This lifetime data shows how your digital advertising is performing in your offline shop. Nobody does that. And because of the solutions like this, big brands like Ahold chose OOSM to work with. What about the competition? There is a lot of competition, but they mostly offer old-fashioned solutions who are really complex to use, are too expensive, and they are not built on smart systems. OOSM is different. Not only we save you 40% of the cost, not only we are simple to use, but we enable our customers to exploit a huge untapped potential by using smart retail. And OOSM is even more. Because we are a web-based solution, we can use these kind of low-cost devices to display the highest quality. We are cross-device, meaning like you can watch YouTube video on almost any device, phone, tablet, or computer, we can do the same with all our content. And OOSM is a platform, web-based platform. And web has opened many doors for us. We can now invite new technologies and third-party applications with ease. We now interact with beacons. We can show third-party applications like Twitter walls. And basically, OOSM can display whatever today exists on internet. It is limitless. So we solved all major problems of digital signage, and we made it simple to use, we made it affordable, and we created a platform based on web standards, making it open and future-proof. Digital signage is on the rise here in Europe, and digital screens are popping out everywhere. They're replacing paper-based signs with digital ones. Our research company, Markets & Markets, stated that by 2019, there will be 64 million screens on the market. This means annual growth of 20%. But only in the last year, it grew by 23. So you can imagine the upper number of screens is going to be even higher. We have a B2B business model. We work with all our customers on a subscription basis, starting with a price of 25 euros per month per screen, depending on volumes and customer needs. We work directly, and we work with distributors. Since our launch in 2015, we have already secured 3 distribution contracts, and by the end of the year, we will have more than 1,000 OOSM controlled screens in the Slovenian market. But right now, we want to be accelerated. That's why we came to Startupbootcamp, where we are already running live pilots with Ahold for Albert Heijn and with one of the biggest digital out-of-door companies in Europe, Exterior Media. They have more than 15,000 screens in the UK alone. Right now, Exterior Media is looking to modernize their whole network. And you know what? Just yesterday, OOSM and Exterior Media signed a letter of intent. Thank you. Our sales pipeline now consists of more than 100,000 screens. And if we only convert 10% of that, it can still result in 250,000 euros in revenue per month. And all this was done in the last 3 months. But just think, wouldn't it be really cool to have a company, like a screen providing partner, who would push all the digital screens in all the shops? I believe this would even scale up our sales. And we did it. We partnered with the biggest one, Samsung. They will become our screen providing partner, and together we will make an awesome package. Thanks. All this couldn't be done without an awesome team, and we are 3 experienced founders. We have 4 amazing developers, and we have 2 sales experts. And only in the last month, we even grew by 2 additional members. That makes us 11. And right now, we are also working with these 5 amazing mentors, sharing their all knowledge and expertise with us. We truly have an awesome team. And right now, we are seeking an investment of 350K for further business development and expansion of our team. This will take us to the next 12 months with a combined revenue of 600K and a monthly growth of 25%. Digital signage is entering a new era, and OOSM is leading the way. There are more and more digital screens out there each day. It's a fast-growing market, and we are ready for it. Digital signage and screen management with OOSM is now easier than ever. Thank you.